Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more ChoroQ videos and 164 scale cars and any other brand of toy cars. Anyway guys, I have this in my collection, but it's not a ChoroQ. It's a Japanese truck guys, and it's all metal, it's all tin can. Even the chassis guys, it's tin, and the motor and the toy motor is vintage also, in very good condition guys. So I don't have the brand of the manufacturer of this. So this is a Japan surplus guys. I bought it because it's a tin can. Nowadays it's hard to find in this condition guys. As you can see, it's all original, even the tires and the wheels. Anyway guys, as you can see, it says made in Japan. That's the made in, and then the Japan, in Japan guys. So one of my tin can or metal toy collection is this one, but I don't have the brand name guys. When I search the Google, what they call this, Tonka USA is the one that popped up in my search. So this one, I don't have any idea if this is a Tonka or any other brand. But of course, all I know is it's printed in the bottom, it's made in Japan. So please guys, help me out here. Please comment what brand is this. Okay. Again guys, this is a metal or a tin can toy truck, and the pullback mechanism is still in good. So this kind of face guys, or the grill and the headlight, it's kind of maybe 1970s or early 80s, but it's kind of old guys, but in very good condition. It's a Japan Airline service vehicle or delivery truck, and then it all clipped in the chassis guys, as you can see. So anyway guys, again, this is a delivery truck. It's a tin can or metal truck, metal parts all the way. The only plastic here is the grill and the windshield guys. That's it. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.